How to buy BTC AI Asian token. So this token came under the BTC AI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check the Telegram channel too. They include it on the next account. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEx. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the Solana network. Open your BitKit wallet or that or any wallet that you use. Now select the Solana as a network. Now click on this plus icon. Place the token address as you can see here. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find that token that you just added that's called BTC AI. So this is our token. Click on it. Now after that, click on swap. Click on switch. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now just type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is, and after that it is a simple click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BTC AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.